At this time, we ask customers please proceed to the south boarding area and join the queue line for the train's departure. We'll be boarding shortly.
All right, so that was the announcement, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, not much of a wait, but they said please proceed to the southern concourse. That was it. Thanks. Thank you. That was quick because self-service tickets and track the boat shows.
Business class, all the way down to your left. 301. Yes, you just came out that room over there? Yes. Okay, go straight ahead to your left. Right.
Standard class 301.
Okay, but with the bicycle,
yes.
You can just go straight ahead.
Business class?
Straight ahead to your left. Business or sorry, with the bicycle, just come this way. Go all the way down to your left.
Thank you.
This is 301.
Are you business or coach? Okay, this way.
301.
301, St. Louis. Thank you.
She came up here with one suitcase.
So, there we are. We're in a sort of final docking area. But guys, I wanted to sort of turn your attention, if I may, to the lovely setup I have on here. I don't know, I've probably got 20-25 pounds in there. Nice little crate, secured by zip ties. I got a few strap bands here for, mounting it on a train, and so they always ask you to bungee cord it and stuff like that, or even if sometimes they can be hung upside down. There's just more places you could secure it, I guess. But yeah, that's the whole kit and caboodle. I have not taken this baby for a long distance ride yet. I think the longest ride I've done was 84 miles in one day when we did, you guys remember when we did the Kenosha adventure. Frank's Diner. So when we went up there, we did 42 miles north, and then luckily we had the nice northerly wind on the way back. So we were able to do all that in one day, but then I was out of it for like the next 3 days. I mean, it really put a lot on my body. So I think I was in I was recuperating for about 3-4 days after that. But in any case, let us see. If we can strap the helmet in. A little bit, it can be strapped in, I guess. So I guess we can sort of push and record at the same time. Yeah, pretty. Hey. Ooh, wow, it's still steaming hot. Look at that steam, guys. Hey guys, I guess I'm gonna leave it here. Short but sweet. I'm gonna try to capture everything once we're moving forward. So it's 6:55, 7:15 is the departure. So hopefully we should be moving ahead soon, and we will of course capture those moments when we do. Alright guys, so again, thank you for tuning back in for this short little transfer from the Great Hall down to the southern concourse. So hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out. From the South Concourse, Grand Union Station, Chicago, Illinois.